If you're looking for a way of dragging columns in your Excel pivot table, this is the video for you. I'm going to just simply select the count of department from here. By the way, I do that just by hovering on the title of the column, and then when the cursor changes to this black arrow, I just click on it, then simply hover to the right of the column or to the left if you want to drag it to the left until the cursor changes to this cross, and then simply double click and just drag it anywhere you want. This green highlight will change just to show you the range where the column will be placed. I'm going to release, and just like that, I've moved the count of department from the first column to the last column. Let's do it another time. I'm selecting the cost of bonuses, and then I'm moving it to the first place. And just like that, I've rearranged my pivot table by dragging the columns. Thumbs up the video if you like this, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.